Yes, guys, this digital wedding invitation gets approximately $2,619 a month, guys, and it's only been listed for 4 months. Guys, they're actually getting a massive amount of money for this. And guys, this is the keywords that actually is ranking for. Wedding invitation with really good volume, online wedding, wedding invite, email template, wedding e-invitation. There's so many keywords that's very important to actually help you rank on that first page and be able to sell on Etsy. And guys, like I said, I use EverBee to do all my product analysis and able to get all those fantastic keywords. But guys, if you do like videos on digital downloads, how to create digital downloads and how to make money from digital downloads and get that passive income, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out all my videos on all the kind of products that I'll show you how to create. So guys, without further ado, let's have a look at this invitation. And let's create actually this wedding invitation, right? That can make $2,619. Let's have a look at this further. So here it is, guys. You can see it. It looks like this. They're just simple wedding invitations. Look at this. Like, they're minimalistic, and literally they have a kind of watercolor, sort of flowery, leafy, kind of natural design. Doesn't really look hard to do. So I'm going to show you how to create something like this. I mean, you can create this in a few different places, but I'm going to show you how to create this on something called Midjourney through AI. These are very popular. This kind of flowery, natural invitation templates, printables, are very, very popular. So I'm going to very quickly show you. I've done a video on how to show you how to do it on Canva, but I'm going to show you on Midjourney very quickly. So let's see now what it is. Like I keep saying to you guys, Midjourney is this fantastic, amazing website where you can actually create really cool designs, and I've shown so many videos about how to use Midjourney, so many different ways. But Midjourney creates these fantastic designs, quality designs, really high quality designs, all kinds of styles and designs, right? Even things like printables, right? People don't know this. So once you log in and sign in, then it'll put you you'll get into a Discord, right? So you get your own server, and obviously I've created so many different things. And what you need to do is you need to prompt it. So you need to give it a set of keywords so that it's able to produce a visual from those words for you. So let's say, for example, I've typed in /imagine, which is how it starts, and then it asks you to give it a few prompts. So I'm going to say wedding invitation design, minimalist design with flowery or leafy and natural leafy border, yeah, in watercolor, and with watercolor. Yeah, let's try that. Right, I'm trying to basically get the words to be exactly from what I can see from that design, the one that sells really well. Because look, it's not about reinventing the wheel, but it's about producing something original and new, but similar maybe to something that is selling really well, right? So my thing is to create prompts and words that hopefully can produce what I've seen, but obviously it's something original. So I've given it the prompts, I've done the words. This is like the first time I'm trying this out, but I've used Midjourney a lot, so I kind of have a sort of idea, but I need to see what comes up. So here we go. You got 4 different, because what it does, it gives you 4 different styles, versions of what you've kind of said, and then it will produce something for you. So like what it's doing now is it's at 46%. I can see like some nice ideas, something that might actually work. Some different designs. Okay. So we're at 78%. I can see maybe 1 or 2 of these are quite nice. I don't know, the one in the bottom right hand corner is not going to work. And look, it's quite good actually, don't you think? That's actually quite nice. Look at these. These are really nice. Look, watercolor style. Let me open up in the browser so you can see it properly. Check this out, guys. Look at these. Wow, that's so nice. That's actually very nice. I really like these. I like the top one, the top left and the bottom left, possibly. Actually, this one's not bad either. Now, look, I want to show you something, guys. I want to show you something because I'm going to upscale one of these. So I'm going to upscale this one in the top left. Top left, right? Upscale it. That means get it kind of clearer, bigger, right? And I'm going to use this one, right? Now, the thing about Midjourney, it kind of, when it writes something, it writes a bit of gibberish. So all of this writing actually doesn't make any sense. So if I'm going to use this design, I actually have to get rid of the writing. And I have to have it so that the customer can create their own writing and have it shareable. So I'd probably use Canva after doing it here, right? Now, the thing about this is, let me open it up in the browser. You may even also need to make it even better in terms of clarity, in terms of high resolution. So if you think you need to, and you probably may do, make a design higher res, try to use something like, and I like to use Topaz Lab, so you can check out this, which actually makes something, and you can see this image in front of you, into a much higher resolution image. You see, much higher resolution. So I'll leave the link in my description so you can have a look at that and try it out. But coming back to the Midjourney design, let's say I'm happy with this, and after I've done the resolution, I've made it even better. Let's say, but what you have to do is you have to save it, save the image, and then upload it on Topaz Labs and make sure that you get high res. But I'm going to show you something. Let's say you've done all of that and you've taken your design and then you go on to Canva. Okay, so you might go into Canva and you need to get rid of that kind of writing, to be honest, because that kind of gibberish writing is not going to work. It's just not going to work. I'm going to just do A4, right? So I'm going to do 210, actually, sorry, centimeters, millimeters, apologies. 210, oh, I got it here. I'm going to go use this one. Yeah, so I'm going to just put my design on here. Let's say I've got a high res. I'm just going to put it onto here and I need it to be digital, right? Let me just put it on. All I did for the sake of this video is I've just shown you how to put it on here. This is going to be my actual design. Let's say I'm using this. Let's get rid of edit the background, get rid of that background. Hopefully it's going to recognize it. Right, got rid of that background. Good. Okay, so look, the writing in the middle is gibberish. It's not actually anything that makes sense. So I'm going to use a magic eraser. Yeah, I'm going to use a magic eraser, and the magic eraser just gets rid of everything and keeps the design real and honest, if you like, without actually messing up anything in the background. So let me just, should have just brushed a bit more. I just did that bit. Look, can you see? It's got rid of it and kept the design nice. Okay, that's it. See, look how beautiful that is, guys. And then if I want to write some text, obviously I'm gonna need to get some text styles. I can just write add a text box. Sorry, add a text box. Now let's say Mike and Amy, right? I'm just going to show you an example, really, just like how you could do this. So, the thing about this is it's printable, right? So you want people to be able to, edit at their own kind of choice. So let's say, I've just put the names of say just some random couple. Might be brush script. Choose the style that you want. Obviously, see something that you might like. Let's see brush script. How does that look? Yeah, that might look okay. Just enlarge that. And now what this is obviously, you know, you would start adding all the detail that you need, you know. So you got Mike and Amy, and then you might put the invitation, the date, and so on. And then what you'll have is you'll have something that you can actually share. And so when somebody actually wants to create this printable, or sorry, use this printable, this digital printable, e-invitation, if you like, they can do that, or they can print it if they want as well, because sometimes people want to print these invitations. And then obviously you'd go across to share it. You'd have it as a downloadable, and you can do it like have a copy the link, and then they can actually use Canva to add their own design and detail and so on, which they can do as well. So that could be, you could share it so that they can actually create their own design, if you like, or own text, should I say, own text onto the design that you've got for them, that you've sold them. Okay, and so that can be done like that, or you can actually have it as a download. You know, you might want to download it if they want to print it as a PDF print, but you know, usually it would be as a kind of shareable, if you like, link, which they can actually edit later on. But literally that is it. That is how you create something like a printable, like some kind of wedding invitation. Very easy to do, very simple to do. I'll just very quickly just go back to the design, just so that you can see how similar, guys, how similar it is from what we actually produced, the wedding invitation, which is this one, guys. Look at this. It's not hard, it's not difficult, and it's not too much. It's the only thing is that you need to add the text, and I've just shown you exactly how to do that, and you can see that that is it. And you could actually this one is PDFs. So you got online PDFs, fully customizable template editor that allows you to change, customize it as you wish. And like I said, guys, that is how you can potentially make over $2,000 creating in 5 minutes a wedding invitation. 2,619 in this case, printable wedding invitation that you could sell on Etsy. So guys, if you did like the video and you do like videos on Midjourney, how to create designs in AI, don't forget to check out all my videos on the playlist. Don't forget to check out the videos after here, and remember, check out all the links in my description where I actually show you where I show you all the things that I actually use for Etsy that help me actually create and find things and great products that really can make profits. So guys, don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and see you on the next one. Take care. See you later.